Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Audi Q8 key fob. This simple task requires just a few common items. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to gently open the key fob casing. Finally, a soft cloth can be helpful to protect your key fob from scratches while you work. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small silver release button on the side of your Audi Q8 key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this newly exposed slot. With a gentle twist, you can separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing upwards. Most Audi Q8 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Just like the old one, press it firmly into place. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your Audi Q8 key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.